Hosting family and friends is always a lot of fun, but we know it's easy to stray away from your healthy eating habits at those special events. But don't worry, we've got helpful tips for you in today's health hack. So let's learn how to make your next dinner party a healthy one.
Number 3, center the meal around vegetables. Focusing the meal on a healthy ingredient is a great way to fuel your body well. Why not consider trying out a new healthy recipe? Number 2, eat slowly during the meal. By taking your time, you can pay attention to your body's hunger cues and stop when you're full. Remember, mindful eating is important at any meal. And number 1, try to get some physical activity into your day. Ask your guests to join you for a walk around the block after you eat. It's a great way to help digestion, and it limits the amount of time you're sitting. Try not to skip or avoid meals leading up to your dinner party. It's important to stick with your regular routine as much as possible to keep your body as healthy as possible. By following these tips, you'll be leading by example, plus you'll finish your evening feeling great. For even more health hacks, just head to our website, livinghealthytv.com. So if you like this video and you want more living healthy, just subscribe to our channel. We're happy you're here.